Welcome to Module 13, everybody. Today we're going to be discussing two herbs, St. John's wort, or Hypericum perforatum, and Schizandra, or Schizandra chinensis. And even though St. John's wort is not a Chinese herb, we did include it in this course because it's one of the herbs that is most studied for its herb-drug interactions, and it's one of the herbs with the most predominant herb-drug interactions. So I wanted to just redirect you guys for a second to the Natural Medicines database, just to show you the extent of what we're looking at for St. John's wort, because I did not include every single known herb-drug interaction for St. John's wort, because there are so many, but more the classification for the herb-drug interactions with a few specific examples. So what I wanted to show you is, first, this long list of lovely interactions here for St. John's wort. You can see most of them are classified as major or moderate, a couple for minor. But the commonality between them is that most of the interactions are occurring through the cytochrome P450 complex. So that's really the basis for understanding the interactions of St. John's wort is the cytochrome P450 complex, and the other one is the P-glycoprotein mechanism. So both of those I go into detail with for the lecture. So rather than focus on the specific interactions and trying to memorize them all, just know what to look for when it comes to drug clearance and clients on interested in taking St. John's wort, and knowing that you have to look for any drugs that really work through the CYP complex. The other thing I wanted to say for the introduction today, going back to our modules, is that next week for Module 14, your herbal compendium assignments are due. They all looked great for the first submission back in Module 5. So if you have any questions about your compendiums before next week, please feel free to email me. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. All of your herb choices that you submitted looked excellent. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys have to put together for that. And based on what you submitted for Module 5, I'm sure they're all going to be gorgeous. So again, any questions, feel free to email Holly or myself, and we're looking forward to seeing what you turn in next week. Have a great week, everybody.